Hi, this is Suzanne, and I'm talking today about what happens in an EFT course. A lot of people say to me, oh, so there's more than the videos online. Oh, I tap with a Brad Yates video, I tap with one of your videos, Suzanne, and they're really good. And if I really wanted to, I don't know, stop smoking, if I really wanted to gain confidence, I would have hypnotherapy. Because the impression is that what you see on a video is all that there is to EFT, and oh my goodness, it couldn't be further from the truth. The reason is, on an EFT video, you actually have the safest way that the person presenting is giving you a version of EFT. So the person giving the video, such as myself, would be aware that the audience may abreact without somebody being there with them, like have a reaction like cry a lot or shake or need help of some sort. May not be quite ready to go to wherever it is that they need to go to, which is only something that an experienced practitioner can actually decide with them. And it's kind of, in a way, it's a little bit like the best thing that can happen for EFT in tapping is that there will be loads of videos showing people EFT to get them to want to do more and enjoy EFT and do it on themselves. And for heaven's sake, it's a great self-help tool, and getting relief and moving forward through videos is absolutely amazing. But I don't want to give the impression that this is all there is. If you want to know more for self-help or for helping others, then I highly recommend that you attend an EFT course. And what goes on in an EFT course, I'll give you, for example, an EFT level 1 that I give, or the first level, or foundation, or whatever it's called. At the moment, it just happens to be called level 1 that I do. And I make sure that it's one day, so that if it's too much for somebody, they don't have to commit to a second day, and I feel that that is important. And what I do is I keep my class sizes small, so that we can get through a lot of material in one day. So what happens is, when people first come in, I discuss with them the theory behind EFT, how EFT works, how in my experience EFT works, some of the scientific research on how EFT works. And I explain why we tap on the points, what points there are. I explain possibility of other points which people can learn when they come to level 2, for example, and a little bit about the safety of doing EFT. And then I explain how we measure the numbers, and people get to learn that for themselves throughout the day, whatever works for them, whether it's 10 to 0 or binary or whatever works, small, medium, large, whatever works for them is good. And then what we do is we do rounds of EFT using the full basic recipe, which uses a number of points not usually used, and all the usual points as well that people most love to use. And so we go through the whole of the basic recipe till it's so automatic in people's minds. So basically, we'll be doing it. We'll be doing it on the day, over and over and over and over again. And every time we do it, people relax so much. And it's a relaxing, friendly atmosphere where people are encouraged to relax. Even with, I have had so far, before recording this video, and probably many more after this, I have had 10 or 11 workshops where I had attendees in person with me physically and an attendee online as well, live online. And honestly, during it and after it, and in emails and meeting the people afterwards, we all agreed it really felt like we were all in the room together. And this is the beauty of energy. That's what I like about energy work, because it's the energy, we feel each other's energy, we're all connected, It doesn't matter about distance. So after we learn the basic recipe very well, we do an example with the basic recipe. And also what we do is we release any resistance to doing EFT, which I think is really important, releasing the resistance, because even the most forward thinking people may have some resistance. So I make sure that people are at ease and at ease with each other as well, and that confidentiality is kept and all that good stuff. And then we go on to healing a small emotional thing. Sometimes in a workshop somebody brings in something big, and then it's my duty to assess whether it's too big for that workshop or whether it's something that we can handle. But basically we work on something, and somebody doesn't have to reveal what they're working on. We can call it X or Y or A or B or C, it doesn't matter. And then we have a break for lunch, because by then people are kind of tapped out. And then we come back and we do more tapping. We do tapping on a physical issue. We do tapping on physical challenges. We find a physical challenge, which is really exciting. And we tap on it, we get relief. And we also tap for a craving or wanting to do something, a behavior that's not good for us. Like, for example, checking our phone all the time, or worrying about something all the time, or eating too much chocolate, drinking too much wine, too much bread, whatever it is that we want to overcome. Or we just basically keep a safe space for other people around us who want to do so, and learn from their experience and be encouraged by their energy changes and their energy shifts. And then for the rest of the day we do whatever the group feels right, and we go into more explanations, more practical experience of the group wants, whatever feels right. And by the end of the day, honestly, I'm up with the fairies, my head is up there, I'm just feeling really amazing, and everybody else is too. And we conclude the day, we congratulate each other for having done this wonderful, marvelous experience, and people get their certificates, and of course they get to know how they can complete the course at home, because there is another part of the course. That's why it's not just a workshop or a class, it's a whole course. So there's a part that they can complete at home with guidance from me, to do some self-tapping and enjoy a wonderful journey of healing. So that's just EFT level 1, and I'm not going to bore you with more about EFT level 2, level 3, the master's program or anything like that. But I hope that gives you an idea if you were thinking of going to do an EFT course with me or with somebody else. I hope that gives you encouragement to do so. And if you'd like to know more, please have a look in the description, and make sure that you're subscribed, by the way. If you like this video, press the like button. I would really like that. Thank you so much, and if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. I will answer any questions that you have, as long as they're reasonable. So for now, take care of yourself, and I look forward to next time. Bye-bye.